What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're going to find out if the Galaxy S9 can survive being frozen and then dropped off my house. Now I do the same test with every Galaxy and iPhone flagship. Let's see how the S9 does with the same test. Here we go. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. We've got the new lilac purple S9. It doesn't look so good in dark lighting, but if you go into the sunlight, it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pop it in the bowl and fill it on up. This bowl's a little bit smaller than I normally use, so it's gonna be an extra big challenge for the S9 to survive. Try not to spill any of this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just barely fits. Okay. All right, it's the next day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S9 frozen. I have not looked at this yet. Oh, there it is. Check it out. Let's de-thaw it. Oh, you hear that? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh my God, it looks so awesome. All right, and it goes the backpack. All right, up to the roof for a 4-story drop. Will it survive the freezing and dropping? Post your opinion at the top right. Here we go. Okay, we are on the roof now. There's the Galaxy S9. This is such a little amount of ice. You guys ready? Throwing it in 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Oh! I saw the Galaxy S9 hit my car tire. Or maybe even my car. Hopefully it's not dented. Here comes the S9 inside that block of ice, and man, it is landing right on the corner of the S9. That's like not the best way to land. But
ooh, definitely not. Dude, that thing flew. Look at that just shooting across the screen, man. It's like, that had a lot of velocity just going sideways.
Looks like it's passing almost all of the ice on its way out as well. It's just zooming. And that thing bounced up. I think it hit my car.
Pretty positive it did. On my wider angle, you can definitely see it going in the direct trajectory of your front bumper. No, I suppose that's what you get for throwing something so big off right next to your car.
Right?
It's kind of expected.
But the way it rides the ice initially, literally like a surfboard riding that wave. So I'm pretty sure I saw the phone shoot out this way. Let's see if we can find it. Is it down here? Oh, look down here. Oh, there it is. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's so frozen. Still has ice all over it. It really impacted the ground hard right there. Another big impact spot. Holy crap, that's really indented the case. Looks like the glass didn't shatter on the front. Didn't shatter on the back either. That's a bit, oh no, it did crack. Not too bad, just a tiny little crack right there. It's not a complete fail. We're gonna give it a minute or two to thaw out and then we'll try turning it on. Let's see if when we squeeze it, we get water out of it. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, that's bad. That is bad news bears. This is probably done. When is someone gonna make a freeze-proof device? I think the only one that survived this is the iPhone SE, right? I can't remember, I think that's the only one. We're gonna give this a serious amount of time to dry out. I'm really worried. I think it's probably done. All right, so we've got the Galaxy S9. It's the next day. Let's find out if it'll turn on. Oh boy. Here we go. Pressing the power button. Getting nothing so far. Oh man. We're gonna have to try charging this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna plug this in. This is into a Samsung charger, even though it's, oh my goodness, it's instantly just toast or roasted. Whoa, that is trippy. Oh, ooh, it's showing no power. Maybe we're gonna get partial functionality out of this. That's a good sign. I thought it was just completely gone, but maybe there's a chance. We're just gonna let that charge and see what happens. What happened? Nothing's happening now. Maybe we just need to give it more time. All right, so we've left it for a few minutes here. Let's see if we've got anything. Come on. I think the moment we started putting juice through it, any moisture left inside just fried it. The S9 is kaput! It will not turn on. We've even got water in the camera lens right here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more awesome videos in the future. We'll see you next time. Brandon out.